Hi, this is Naile. I work in customer support here for Asters, and today I'm gonna show you how to connect your Facebook profiles, yours or the ones of your clients, into Asters. So once you log in, you arrive to the dashboard, and you can just click on the right upper corner and click on Connect. Here you will see Facebook right away, and you can just click on Connect Social. This will bring you to a new page where it's going to ask you to insert your credentials or the ones of the profile you actually want to connect, and then go on from here. It will ask you if you want to continue as Naile Ciccone, that's my case. And then once you arrive here, I strongly advise you to select all. And again, for the page, it's select all. Here, everything should be on yes, and then okay. Then you will see all the pages that you manage or the profile you connect is managing, and you can decide to select the ones that you actually want to connect to Asters. In my case, I'm just gonna add them all, continue, and then here it will ask me if I want to assign those profiles to a specific workspace. So if you just started to connect your profiles, then you can just leave the default workspace and then click on confirm. If you already have organized your work inside Asters into workspaces, then you can just click here and you will see the specific workspace. Otherwise, you can find an article explaining everything about workspaces, how they work, how to create some, etc. Here in the Help Center. So for now, let's go on confirm, and we will see that the social profiles are connected correctly. Yeah, so that's all, and if you need anything, you can always find me here in the chat, or you can find me at support@asters.ai. So for now, that's all. I'm gonna wish you a great day.